This is a quick video on how to check if your big twin connecting rods are bent. This will also work on any big twin as long as you have the right diameter checker. So this is a standard wrist pin, and if you mic these wrist pins, they come out at 791, 0.791 of an inch. And if you make a tool that is 0.791 of an inch, like that, it has to be 4.5 inches long. So it's much longer than the wrist pin. And it's pretty simple from there. You just put it through the connecting rod. You rotate the motor so that it comes down and touches. And once it comes down and touches, you get a feeler gauge and go under it. This is 1.5 thousandths feeler, and you can see it doesn't go under there, and it doesn't go under here. So that connecting rod is straight. Now the connecting rod's long enough that if it was bent, this thing would get really up on one side and down on the other, and you could see it real easy. It's real easy to bend in connecting rods. A lot of people do it and don't realize it. When you're putting in the wrist pin, if you have to hammer it in, it's real easy if you don't support things to bend the connecting rod. Also, the wrist pin will go in really easy if you put a little heat to the piston. Either use a propane torch or whatever it is to get a little heat in the piston. And I'll show that in a different video. So I will put the Jim's part number for this tool in the comments section. I believe Jim's part number is 1010. The Jim's part is the exact same as this pin I had made. I had a friend at a machine shop make it out of stainless. You could make it out of steel, but you would have to coat it so it doesn't rust at all. And that's how you check to see if your connecting rods are bent. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. It does make a difference and I appreciate it. Thank you.